In our previous video, we showed you how to get Hulu, Sling TV, and HBO Now from outside America without an American credit card. But what about your iPhone? Well, installing geo-restricted apps on your iPhone isn't rocket science. It can still get mind-boggling sometimes, but then there's always a way. You see, most guides on the internet simply just suggest you to create a new Apple ID if you want to access apps that are not available in your country. But with the latest version of the iOS, you can simply change your location to a new country without logging out of your existing Apple ID. We tested this workaround on iPads running 11.4.1 and it works flawlessly. So yeah, let's see how you can install geo-restricted apps on your iPhone without logging out of your existing ID. To get started, head over to Settings and then go to iTunes and App Store and then tap on View Apple ID. Next, enter your Apple ID and its password to successfully log in. Next, tap on Country/Region. In the new screen that opens up, tap Change Country or Region. From the list of countries, select the one that you wish to change your region to. For the sake of this video, I'll switch to America since it has the best streaming apps like Hulu, Sling TV, HBO Now, etc. Once you tap on the region of your choice, you'll get an agreement, so accept that by tapping on Agree in the top right corner. Next, you'll have to fill in a billing address. It's important to tap on None for payment info. Oh yeah, this workaround only works for free apps and games as there's no valid payment associated with your Apple ID. But if you do want to install paid apps, you can just get a US iTunes gift card from mygiftcardsupply.com. Don't worry, they didn't sponsor this video, we just love using their service. Okay, now coming back. Now you have to add a working address of your country you want to switch to. So go to a fake address generator website and find any random US address. They won't cross-verify it, so it's okay. Once you've filled out the form, tap on Next to continue, and there you go. Your store region has now been changed. Just head over to the App Store and search for any app that wasn't previously available, like Spotify, Hulu, or Pandora, and as you can see, they show up in no time. Just simply tap on it and install them if you want to use them. Yeah. This should work fine for most regular apps, but you'd still need a VPN to access apps that use both audio and video streaming and then verify your location. For example, if I want to listen to Spotify, I'll first activate the Smart DNS Proxy VPN and switch to a US server. Just make sure you select Smart VPN server so that you can stream content from every country without having to switch your VPN server each time. Next, go to Spotify and log in, and there you go. You can listen to your favorite music from anywhere. Similarly, if you want to install geo-restricted streaming apps like Sling TV, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu, just download them from the App Store using the workaround, turn on Smart DNS Proxy VPN and log in, and if they ask you for your location permission, make sure you tap on Don't Allow, and you're good to go. So yeah, that's how you install geo-restricted apps on your iPhone. And the best part is, even if you decide to change your country afterwards, it wouldn't affect any of the apps that you have installed already. Let me know what geo-restricted apps you'll download onto your iPhone in the comment section below. As always, I'm Vamjee on Smart DNS Proxy, and like and subscribe if you like this video. See you in the next one.